Today in this video we're going to be taking a look at this, which is the Rubbertoe Replicas 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver as used by Matt Smith in Doctor Who. So, we're going to get into the replica right now. So, we'll start from the top with this lovely green emitter here, which does appear to be slightly sort of a light blue on this camera, but it is, I can tell you, green. Then we move down to the claw section here, the cage section, nice knurling there. Then we've got the handle with the button, and then the conical resin handle piece, I suppose you could say. And then we have, of course, the button, the not so secret red button that we never knew what happened to it really. So yeah, of course pressing the button does light up a nice green, so very nice indeed. And it does have multiple sounds as well, like the toy, which we'll get into a bit later. So put that on its nice stand that it comes with there. This is what you get with the Sonic. BBC Doctor Who 11th Doctor's Sonic by Rubbertoe Replicas. Certificate of Authenticity, number 84 of 250, signed by Nick and made by him, obviously. And then that's what you get on the back, just Doctor Who, big Doctor Who there. So that's what you get in the box. As you can see, I've got the spinning TARDIS in the background there, which of course is a 13th Doctor replica that I probably will do a YouTube video on, although there isn't much to review, but you know, there it is. So it does actually flick. I don't normally like flicking it, but that was terrible, I apologise. That was a little bit better. Again, don't like to flick it because I don't know, I've had problems flicking it before. So there's a bit of a close-up, if it will focus. I'm hoping it will. Autofocus should kick in, but I don't think it's aiming to at the moment. There. And then going down to the cores there. So, yeah, there you go. Very nice indeed. I do love the way the claws join there, very nice. And those are the two sounds, and then the hidden ones is, I think, 1, 2, 1. So as you can see, it's basically from the toy. Give you another look at the button there as well. Have a nice look at that. This is actually the second review I've done of this Sonic on YouTube. My first account, named the same, the Doctor's Props, I lost the password to get in because I was changing phones, and I obviously had to sign in on my new phone, and I forgot the fucking password like a dumbo. I'm always a dumbo, I'm always forgetting things, but yeah, So after weeks of trying to get in, I couldn't. So I had to create a new YouTube account, but it's the, sorry about that, it's the same, obviously it's me, and it's the same, you know, number, so people can check to verify, because it's the same number that I'm reviewing here. Same name, just a different logo and a revamp. But yeah, so this is the second review. There's no point linking that video in the description. I mean, I can do, but nobody would get a response on that one. But yeah, I've got the 12th Doctor's Sonic on order, the 10th Doctor's Sonic on order, the 13th Doctor's Sonic on order. That's for Rubbertoe. Then I've got an Aztec, cream Aztec on the way. Hopefully a wide slider, and hopefully a grey Aztec coming soon in the near future. So there'll be a lot of Sonics to review. Sadly, this 11th Doctor Sonic is the only replica I have at the moment. I have the 8th Doctor Sonic. A bit hit and miss. I'll try and post the video if I can, but again, we'll see. But there are a few Doctor Who replicas that I want to take a look at and review for you guys. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if the 11th Doctor Sonic, if it focuses, is your chosen Sonic. Let me know, as I would really love to know. And I will finish by giving you a nice little spin. I just think it's so satisfying, to be honest. And there we go. As that comes to a close, my video comes to a close. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.